Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to scan documents on your iPhone SE3. Your iPhone SE3 is a useful device as it not only allows you to make calls, take a picture, or send messages, but with the iPhone SE 3rd generation, you can scan documents and make everything digital. On your iPhone SE 3rd generation, first find the Notes app. Now long press on it and then tap on Scan Document. Now point your iPhone to a document you want to scan and make it digital. Once the iPhone recognizes it is a document, it will start to take a photo automatically. You can continue to scan as many documents as you want. Once you've scanned all your documents, tap on Save at the bottom right. This will paste the document in a new note. Now you can go back and rename the note to whatever you want. Now, repeating the same process, you can scan other documents on your iPhone and create new notes using this process. And that is how to scan documents on your iPhone SE 3rd generation. If you have made it to the end of this video, then please hit the like button, and most importantly, please consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.